A compelling vision can only drive change if it's communicated effectively. You can have the clearest vision in the world, but if others don't understand it, connect with it, and believe in it, it won't gain traction. Here, we're going to explore the strategies that visionary leaders use to share their vision with impact. By the end, you'll know how to deliver your message clearly, inspire trust, and rally others to your cause. Think about leaders like Barack Obama or Sheryl Sandberg. Part of their success lies in their ability to communicate their vision with clarity and authenticity. Visionary communication is about more than words. It's about building connection and trust. Let's break down how you can do the same. One of the biggest mistakes leaders make is overcomplicating their vision. If your message is filled with jargon or too many details, people are going to lose interest. Instead, focus on simplicity. A clear, concise message has more power than a lengthy explanation. Think of Martin Luther King Jr.'s "I Have a Dream" speech. The core message was simple and powerful. A future where equality and justice prevail. That simplicity made it unforgettable. When crafting your vision, aim for a message that can be summarized in a single, impactful sentence. Here's a quick exercise. Try explaining your vision to someone outside your organization. If they struggle to understand it, simplify your language until the core idea shines through. This helps ensure your message resonates with diverse audiences. Facts inform, but emotions inspire action. Visionary leaders tap into people's emotions to create a deeper connection. They speak to hopes, dreams, and shared values. This emotional resonance makes the vision more compelling and memorable. Stories are one of the most effective tools for building emotional connection. For example, when Nelson Mandela spoke about his vision for a united South Africa, he shared personal stories of struggle and reconciliation. This made his vision relatable and deeply moving. Identify a story that exemplifies your vision. It could be a success story, a challenge overcome, or a personal experience that shaped your leadership. Practice telling this story with emotion and authenticity. Repetition is crucial for embedding your vision in people's minds. People need to hear your message multiple times, in different contexts, to fully absorb and believe in it. But repetition doesn't mean repeating the exact same words. It means reinforcing the core message through various channels and stories. Consistency builds trust. If your actions contradict your vision, people will become skeptical. For example, if your vision emphasizes innovation, but you resist new ideas, your credibility will erode. Make sure your behavior aligns with the message you're trying to send. Create a communication plan that integrates your vision into regular touchpoints, team meetings, company updates, one-on-one conversations. Over time, this repetition reinforces the vision as a guiding principle. Vision isn't a one-way street. The most effective leaders engage stakeholders by inviting their input and collaboration. When people feel involved in shaping the vision, they become more invested in making it a reality. Let's say you're leading a strategic initiative. Instead of dictating the vision, hold workshops or town halls where team members can share their ideas and concerns. This collaborative approach builds ownership and commitment. Identify key stakeholders who are passionate about your vision and empower them to be ambassadors. These champions can help spread the message and inspire others across the organization. Communicating your vision effectively is about clarity, emotional connection, repetition, and engagement. When you master these strategies, you'll inspire belief and action across your team or organization. Vision isn't just something you say, it's something you live and communicate every day. Now that you know how to communicate your vision, the next step is getting others aligned with it. In the next segment, we'll explore strategies for gaining buy-in and building alignment around your vision.